Hello, students. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of tenses. Let's learn together. Tenses are words that show when something happens. They tell us if an event occurred in the past, is happening now, or will happen later. For example, Shelley eats an apple. Now let's learn types of tenses. Simple past tense. This tense tells us about actions that happened in the past. For example, we played football yesterday. Simple present tense. This tense describes actions happening right now. For example, the sun rises in the morning. Remember, we add an S for he, she, or it, like in she plays. Simple future tense. This tense talks about actions that will happen later. For example, I will go to the park tomorrow. Now it's your turn to answer. What is an example of simple future tense? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 2 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.